there, naku, nagkamali ako ng pindot. Kanina pa ako salita ng salita, tapos hindi ko pala siya na-save. Anyway, ito pa naman yung pinaka-favorite kong part, putanesca. So, the ingredients I already put there and waiting for it to be cooked. Okay? So, my ingredients, aside from the what do you call this? The anchovies, the two box of anchovies. Wait. Yan pa ba dito? Box of anchovies. Wala na, natapon na pala. Nakakainis. So, yung 2 box of anchovies and then capers and then black olives. Black olives like this one. Capers and black olives. Already there na. And then, the shiitake mushroom I added. It depends on your liking. It depends on your mood if you want to add something pa. But for me, the anchovies itself, because it has a strong, very strong taste. So, yun palang okay na. Swak na. But then, I added shiitake for, depends nga on you. I feel like adding shiitake mushroom. Okay, and then here's the product. There, you can see the black pitted olives, the mushrooms, the cheese. I added cheese, the other half of the Eden melted cheese I put here. And then mushroom, shiitake, olives, capers. Like that. And then the sauce. But the one I use, the tomato sauce I use is the, what do you call this? Yung Fiesta na medyo cheesy siya. Cheesy Fiesta sauce or something like that. But I prefer the Italian sauce. I still love the Italian sauce. Okay. By the way, thank you so much for watching this video, this film. Well, I just made it just to, you know, trip-trip lang in my mood. Nasa mood ako mag-video, mag-film in my humble abode kitchen. Okay? And then, I like to cook for mama, of course. That's my mission, you know. And then, Shell, if you want to sponsor, no longer iPhone na lang. This one na lang. The kitchen scissor knife. The one I saw dun sa ay, actually, basta isa-send ko sa'yo yun. It's $13. Shell, I love you. Joke lang. And then, hi, Lani. See you soon in your kingdom. Mane, see you later, okay? I hope you like my putanesca. And then, what else? I love all my friends, all those people who love me. I love you all. Tita Agnes, the #1 liker ko yan. Thank you, I love you. Tita Alice, also I love you. Let's go back to Japan. So hot in the Philippines. I'm sweating. Who else? James, I know you're watching me. You're viewing my pictures. Even if you're not liking, you're not commenting. It's okay. What else? All my friends, Weng, Best Weng, I love you, bestie. Who else? Lahat ng friends ko. Naku, ang dami kong friends. My gosh. Few lang pala. Few good friends. I love you all. Tita, Didi, see you in your abode, mansion. Sheila, I love you, Sheila. My mommy, Sheila. Who else? Did I forget? Nako, okay, magalit ha. Dahil kailangan ko ng memory plus. Okay? So there, parang malapit na siya maluto. Sayang talaga. Thanks, Tessie, for this. Tessie, my favorite neighborhood. Family neighborhood na yun. For bringing this from the US pa yan, ha? Straight from the US. Thank you, Not. Tessie told me you're the one who bought this in online shop. Hindi ba Mile Shop? Sige, I'm promoting na Mile Shop, ha? You buy my bags in Mile Shop. Authentic, straight from the factory, okay? Or the outlet stores. You click. You like my page, Mile Shop. Instagram, Mile Shop 888. Thank you for watching this and who watched my video yesterday. Thank you so much. And, you know, it's just trip ko lang talaga. Thank you. I love you. Thank you so much. Thanks for putting up with me. English, nosebleed. Bye. Love you.